Big paradise. Then Adjoa Tasha they trend massively on the internet. To make matters worse, bongo ideas and so about drop a video be a momenta. Adjoa Tasha a boyfriend and a big paradise a kuntokwa a matches or tata paradise soon.
Just let me change.
You guys are like, oh, we are besties, we are besties, we are besties.
That's why, because I can't even tell people that I'm sleeping in paradise, and if it comes, I'll be dead. Like I'll be doomed for life. I can't tell anybody. Something I'm.
I go tell the world say yeah. I put your camera here. I go tell the world say yeah. I put your camera here.
Relax, say. Next video to the very last end. Adolfo, in fact, big yawa, very, very big yawa, and I see on Paradise. And then Adjoa Tasha. I believe, sir, over social media, baby, in recent time, we videos of Paradise. And then Adjoa Tasha here and there. We will say who is Paradise, or yeah, one of the former employees of Kwejo Sheldon. Well, they had issues, they fell out, almost have a beef. Now, Paradise belt on that. Emma and also Edinyani numbers. As we speak to you now, or one of the few youngins MC or Seho, influencing or yeah, dear. Adjoa Tasha and so a popular influencer. And also, boys they really abuse it, but normal. Now, and incident BAC muntema bongo ideas about drop a lengthy, expose on them. Into relax, next video way to the very last end. 3 days ago, bongo ideas make a particular post after say Adjoa Tasha any paradise posting videos be and almost so muka crowd airport. I say, as if say date and way. Bongo ideas, as you see on the screen. Adjoa say, guy, why are you constantly creating the false impression online that she's your baby when her man has warned you to stay off? You don't take an initial beating at Tasha on Friday 6 a.m. and still do this. You were trying to hide your face and all. Evidence day. Stop. Bongo ideas. I see, Paradise Unjai say found online now videos of himself and Adjoa Tasha trying to create impressions or a date here and there. Now he should actually stop that. Now actually betray a couple days back 6 o'clock a.m. or GB things kakrebi as a boy is a tata and so back it off. Now so on still did this girl echi. Now and a bongo ideas, people started, attacking him. People actually called him a liar or fake. They all can need evidence. How on earth will Big Paradise be beaten by guys? Now, even in 2025, do we still do that? Do we fight over ladies? As a guy, will you send people to beat Charlie Yawa? Now, bongo ideas. Just a few hours back, Adjoa said, I will be releasing the Paradise and Adjoa Tasha videos at exactly 5 o'clock this evening. Enough is enough. Make a date. That was after say people started attacking bongo ideas. Almost we can throw say 6 a.m. and a abo Paradise. Will betray a force into own idea. Okay, canon now. Jimmy Dodo. Or say enough is enough. Now fast forward or 30 date say ene will be releasing the videos of Paradise and a Big Tasha with evidence. I break it down. Well, true to his words. Oh yeah. Now, story, any revelation of a make here, you could actually tell and deduce because of a screenshot of the conversation between Tasha and then the boyfriend. The boyfriend just on Paradise. And I'll send the boys. Let me tata Paradise. Assume or screenshot of this same guy and then a girl a chat. So definitely now on a boy way a kasai. So probably we could conclude say our evidence truly. Now say and or shall see was part A in August 2019, which he corrected say in August 2024. Or say Adjoa Tasha met a guy named Sam who had just returned to Ghana from the USA. They started off as friends, but suddenly the friendship transitioned into a serious relationship. Adjoa Tasha, although she acted like a hard girl, immediately fell for the burger. It is believed that the burger's constant showering of gifts on her and the realization that he had deep pocket motivated her to say yes. Or say August 2024. And I just said Tasha is here, burger free US about Ghana for some vacation. They were friends, here and there. Now eventually, dollar converted the basi this more and more a drink. Burger here tied to gift, flowers and things. And the matter Tasha the phone say no man on the rent. And I just said Tasha ebe fole ma burger. Nti burger no eka say chala dey fool you no one che ho fast 5G pa and or accept this proposal. Now part B or say meanwhile at the same time Adjoa Tasha was supposedly in several relationships with other guys, which Sam would later discover while going through her phone. Realizing that she could make more from Sam, Adjoa Tasha started charging him a maintenance fee in the region of 5,000 alongside setting up her salon and taking her on a trip to Dubai. Or see later, Sammy, that is the American blogger, just said Tasha Foliamano because of, according to Bongo, Nisi Kasem, very, very beautiful. Or say, Tasha guy with Sammy later find out say Tasha no boys be bree or the auto airtime, man, or the auto phone, or the share light bill, a whole lot of boys, which later he found out. Or say, who say Sammy a shano hono man 5,000 Ghana cedis bill, probably on monthly basis, say and no any maintenance. 5,000 there, what's $dollar? At the basi the more by $300, $320 there, you would have that thing sorted out. Enti or say no and see here between them, which of course video and a to the extent say Sam and echo Dubai holiday trip into who girls we almost Dubai bar here and there, you could actually conclude Sebo Gabi and a shade. Part C, Bongo, I see in her mind she had caught a big fish and didn't want to share him with anybody, nor did she want the many other guys she was ostensibly in relationship with to know. Due to this, it is reported that Adjoa Tasha took a picture of Sam to a malam to tie him down. She did this with the hope that she could spiritually render him powerless, so she could have him all to herself, responding swiftly to her beck and call. So, the bongo ideas allege wa ha in your see Tasha who say ska was Sam US burger there chese ska tan ho pa into immediately or the picture call malam or say chese yen ne pende enchechere no kakra then tie am so say anytime she go build this Sam guy 5G pa then he send am anytime wey she go build this guy 5G no complaint as wadani mugu ATM anytime wey she dey need anything monetary whenever it is a fair guy wey there he should be able to pull through. Now part D or say fast forward, Paradise and Adjoa Tasha started hitting it off. It moved from just meeting at the studios of NK Salem to personal meetups and dates. Sometimes Paradise visited her at the apartment which her burger boyfriend had fully paid for. It raised eyebrows. Paradise was subsequently advised not to meet the girl at her apartment, especially since another guy had paid for. Or say Paradise, any Adjoa Tasha Ishia or NK Salem. After so movie from Sheldon Studio, he had another deal some show. But eventually that show also fell off. Another person had taken over. Or say Honum and a Paradise, Ishia, this Adjoa Tasha Now from there, Ishia they go on dates, or visiting girl way, an apartment. Sam, a US blogger. Echia Amano Emuso, and no sparky some sort of friction be Emma Sam warning says stay off. Me chia Emma wo mbaho. Charlie negative then positive they no go fit stay in one room without attraction. Definitely a beer, a miaka krebi anana can be. Say guess what? That is part E. He didn't listen, therefore he was confronted when he went to meet the girl at her apartment at East Legon, Ashalibutre. In the video, he stepped out of the apartment around 6 a.m. when the guys accosted him, gave him a few hits and told him to stay away. Paradise had made commitment like buying wigs for Adjoa Tasha for her birthday, so he felt he had a leeway for intimate access to her. Bongo, I say, after I say, hey, me I no go pay make you can't visit my woman. Nah, that thing there, it be below the bar. I no go understand. So stop visiting Tasha. Stop visit. That is from Sam and then the boys. One in Almodema Paradise. Or say Paradise ain't here because Philly say yo on the birthday me to week and then you might be at the chain into for me to have for camp probably with the mindset say I go fit to knock into the idea or say yeah. Now call her one day 6 a.m. and I just say boys. She no, it's just a guy we were plenty boys around. A tata na soon video no and I just say yeah they share in the beginning also no and that screen so about at the end of the video so they share now part F or say that did not stop there. It looked like the two were actually in love or probably just wanted to chase clout online. Adjoa Tasha did not listen to her burger boyfriend and continued to frolic with Paradise and other guys until she was caught red-handed and had to beg. Or they and see you know, back to back, still no more yeah. After say a born back to back, no more share, they go on dates. Until say one day, Boga Yankasa ebeche Tasha any Paradise. But what were they doing? Were they kissing? Were they smooching? Were they knocking? And no dear, they no really release the detail. Now, so according to Bongo, she and Paradise were caught. Now, Oshasie Epa Chow. Pajin, also in the video, she was begging her boyfriend not to let the world know what she had done with Paradise because she believed it would destroy everything she had built. The boyfriend there and then called it a quit and returned to the UK. However, Adjoa Tasha later reached out to him and said she was a changed woman. She thought she could use that as a leverage to get the guy to keep sending her money for maintenance and to keep up the fast-paced world social media.
Let me change.
You guys are online like, oh, we are besties, we are besties, we are besties.
No, because I can't even tell people that I'm sleeping in Paradise, and if it comes, I'll be dead. Like I'll be doomed for life. I can't tell anybody. Something I'm with.
Dear Bongo, episode che ewo ha and he say or say Tasha claiming say wasisa see no on a Paradise a movie BM here and after say Boga eche no or say Boga no returning to UK. Mind the initial or see USA and so or say Boga call UK. Then we relocating and answer story no and add the app. It is important to draw that particular side. Now or say Tasha ebe pa Boga chow as you heard say wasisa on a Paradise MPABM on funny bonnie and it was a mistake, it was the work of the devil. Or see see done popular na ebia the mindset and say unhia boga 5k monthly they are maintaining to keep up this social media lifestyle. Now the part 8, boyfriend later found out that she was in relationships with many other guys who she takes money from. Some of her old posts reveal a lot about Adjoa Tasha. Or say boyfriend he ever find it out. Say, Adjoa Tasha per post on the screen. Ebia, on the boys, our relationship move be brainty, I nag this guy on the first day. Like a post on make HSA probably or ya gaji. And now then show this song. Into that is there. A sign where my guy confirm me say, and I was also checking the old post and who say no, ebia something was really, really bad about her and Sana and Kaoneno Eberia relationship. So on no dear, that is what happened. Also, my job is done. A sound true for precaution. Using Kwesiata. A line says sound true for precaution. On no dear Nejuma, I expose Big Paradise and a Tasha. We on any boy Akasa. Am I a man of evidence to back any claims into say he has nothing to lose or no a blow in the failure. We ain't way and a sparky huge debate online. Ama Adjoa Tasha and a Big Paradise trending. So in case you are wondering why these two are trending, that is just the reason why they are trending. And bongo ideas and I bet drop this fella out there. Any updates? Well, you better follow. You better for the meantime, Adjoa Tasha and Kasa and found Big Paradise and so and Kasa and found when they do the updates now so 2025 do we still fight over woman for answer no ebra adofo recipe
Vimbaz TV.